Wow. Good morning, Saturday morning. And we're in Cheltenham. Look at those hills. Hello, Jeff. Hey. Easy top over there. And we've actually come today to fly in Cheltenham Mike's backyard. Now this used to be a model flying club here, so we've got a nice little runway. And we're just adjacent to the racecourse, Cheltenham racecourse. Got a few new bits of jollop today, I can tell you. Charlie's got a Canada Air. Look at that for a beggar. All right, Charlie?
Yeah.
How you doing? All right. All right, kid. All right, kid. Hey! Bit blowy today.
Yeah, it is. Don't worry about that.
It's on. What's Canada Air, Charlie? Hobby King Canada Air.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got some specifications for the good people of the YouTube land there,
Yes,
Mr. Alex.
it's red and white.
Okay. Well done. And it's got two engines on it, hasn't it? Two engines.
It's off.
Anything more specific, or we get?
About a 13 something wide.
Yeah, 13 something wide. Yeah, very good.
60.
Yeah.
It's got those nice gold pretty motors in it.
Right, so that's the 28, 26, 2,200 kV.
Yeah.
With you've overpropped those motors quite severely, haven't you? They're about 8-inch props, yeah.
Have I?
Yes, you have. You've probably got very small speed controllers in there. You've gone quiet, Alex. What have you got in there? What speed controllers you got in there?
20 amps. 20 amps.
That's not enough, is it?
Not the props.
You want some 130 amps in there?
Yeah.
6.4s on that.
Yeah, you want 6
Well, the same size, yeah. Oh, that's it.
You want
The same size props.
if you've got 6.4s, I think that'd be better.
6.4, Alex.
You got any with you?
6.4, I don't know. I'll have a look.
That means no.
Hey,
Hey, oh, that's look at that. Well spotted, Jeff. Little steam chain, look. Look at that. There's not many of them knocking about still. Look at that. Look at that. There's not many of them about, Jeff, is there? Okay. Here we go, gents. A big moment. Yeah, we're ready.
Come on, Alex.
Come on, son.
Wait a minute.
Hey, gotta get his limbering up. Oh, that's a new one. Kicking the stones. Bit nervous, isn't he, Jeff? Oh well, don't matter. Let's go.
Ready? Yeah.
Hello. Oh yes, please. It's there, Charlie. Look, Kev's laughing his nuts off already. I don't know why. Tell you what, you know. Crap him. Tell you what, though, Alex. What do you reckon? Good. On a still day, you reckon it'll be all right?
Wouldn't take it down there.
It is very windy today, Jeff. That's really good bit. This is good, Charlie. This is. Tell you what, you know. Look at this. Kev's legging it. Like it.
That's good, Tommy.
That's fine, all right.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you going to land, Charlie? Charlie, keep a bit of throttle on there. Like that.
Oh,
Lucky.
Lucky.
That's good.
It won't be, sir. I didn't think it was like it. I expected it to go up and straight back on.
That's all right. Christ, that's not even a scratch, is it, Charlie?
No.
Just a wingtip.
Oh, there it is. Hey, that's all right.
You've got to be happy with that, haven't you?
That was lucky. Did you try before you took off?
Yeah.
New servo as well.
Brand new servo, Jeff. It doesn't look that new though, Jeff, does it?
No.
It's been in the YS.
It's been in the YS. Anything worse, could it?
I wonder if it's got any gears left in there.
Got 2 teeth left. 2 teeth. Well, I mean, let's book those. Here we go.
Take it off.
Whoa! Oh!
Has it got power for some reason?
Oh no. Fine. So, what's the specs on this blighter then?
1600. I'm not sure what the motor size is.
This was the one that came from
This is my
in
gift.
Switzerland. I've seen it. This was our prize.
Nice, isn't it?
Yes. Got it. I'm going to fly the maiden.
Yay!
Nice. Hooray!
Mike, we'll do the maiden on this.
So I think he's in the zone. Yep.
So,
哎。 off the ground. Yeah, that was weird, that was. Look at that.
Right.
When I covered, but yeah.
Yeah. Not very professional.
No, let's get off the runway, lads.
That's how shit we are.
We have a runway, we all stand on it.
Like mistake.
Do we? We have a proper runway for once, so we all stand on it.
Yeah. That's quite funny, isn't it?
Can you bring it down? Do some stuff first. Oh,
Do some stuff.
You're gonna have to grab it. How's your crab it, Mark? Whoa, 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 come on!
Softer landing.
Oh dear. I think your front wheel's gone, I think.
Front wheels, well, tripod in it.
Yeah.
Turning, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, it's in one piece. I just have to take it apart and bend it. I'm happy with that.
Good on Jeffrey.
Oh, all right.
Well done, Jeff.
Yeah.
Thought it was all right, mate.
A bit of practice.
Tricky coming in there with that.
Yeah.
I'll tell you.
Yeah. You could have asked me, Mark. You only had to ask.
Yeah, you'll find out in a minute.
I would have got it down for you.
I got it down.
No, it's not very often. Barnes one is. Marvellous.
Yeah, it's all right.
Yeah.
Okay, Michael. I tell you what, it's not ideal though. Uphill, is it? For a yeah. Bounce off these hills, this, that, and the other.
Sees his beard going down.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, going like a right beard, isn't it?
He took me, look at his face.
That's good.
Nice one.
Yeah, good. Good one. Nice one. Oh, you've flown the wheels off it, Mike. You've flown that wheel off it, son.
Covering films come off the elevator.
Has it?
Look at the back.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's a handful up there, isn't it?
No.
Look at his face.
Look at his beard. Look at that beard going.
Come on, Steve.
I'm real on the runway again. It's a good step.
We're not used to it.
No. Yeah. Whoa, it's good.
It's stuck there, that.
That's good. That's what they're all about.
Right, plus fever, anyway.
That's lovely, see. That is lovely.
No stuff.
It's on the tarmac.
Oh, lovely. Hey.
Enjoy that.
Oh, Kevin's up now. It's playing that, isn't it? I'll be quite nervous by now.
Yeah, it's very.
It's an handful, isn't it?
Very good.
Look at Kevin, please.
Here we go.
Yep. Hey, oh, he's up. See, that plane, that's got the power, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that's what he needs in the wind. A lot of power. Look at that.
Never worry about that with Kevo.
That is
Lewis.
nice bit of kit.
No. What are they called now?
Spockra. Stay clean. 3, 2, 1, a whoa!
Whoa!
Bloody hell, that was a bit feisty.
Oh, Mike, that's right, that looks a bit tangy. That smart's flying very good, Kev.
Lovely. Well done, Kevo.
That's the boy today, the smart.
Yeah. He's only doing some stuff at the moment, do you? Cheltenham Mike could be up there doing some stuff as well.
Did it, Kev?
You do know you're in the middle of the runway, don't you, Kev? Right. Okay. I think you had to keep the power on and fly it in, Kev.
Whoa.
Keep the power on and fly it in.
Gonna fly him in, really. Whoa.
Oh, fuck me.
Whoa.
Keep the power on. Whoa!
Nasty, isn't it?
There's a lot of screaming. Whoa!
It's alright, it's good.
Good.
That's much better.
That's it. Crab it. Crab it. Crab it. Crab it. Crab it. You got it.
Knock it off.
Oh!
That was nearly perfect.
Oh!
That was nearly spot. Nice twisted that.
Oh dear.
Actually, in the wind, it's alright.
That's lovely, Mike, isn't it?
Yeah.
I was going to think I never had time to fix mine last night. I was, Look at that. That's marvellous, isn't it? That's like Jeff's speed of flying. That's like one of his gliders going. Let me see if I can catch it. No, maybe not. That was good. Very, very good. Lovely.
Catch it.
No,
Little camera, look at
Yeah.
the aerial for some.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, on the runway. That's it.
Look at that. Runway.
Runway. Clear.
He got his aviator shades on as well. Look. What a... Nice. Oh, I like that. Oh, what a...
Tricky day for flying today, then.
It is a bit.
Yeah, it really is.
Two successful maidens, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep, Mike's off. A nice one, Mike.
Michael.
Yeah, he didn't shout landing.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Oh. One man and his dog. Hello, Bruce. Nice one. Lovely.
Coming a long way, Charlie, isn't
All the way from Tocoroa. Is it Tocoroa? Ex-jet. Oh dear. Marvellous.
Hello. Bruce.
I'll let you chuck it. I'll see.
Charlie Chimples with his AXN. AXNs! Look, hang on a minute. Is that coincidence? AXN.
Was that one?
And Bruce over there, look. Bruce has come from... it's Bruce. That's Bruce, that, isn't it? Yeah, it's double. Right, and... make it a good... X-Jet's watching, Alex, so make it a good one, son, will you?
I shall do my
Come on,
best.
come on.
Ready?
Rallop! What happened there? What that was spicy. Motors downwind, did it, Charlie, didn't it? What's that? The AXN?
Yeah, yanking back, yeah.
Yank and rank.
I'm a bit of a yanker on the quiet, Kev.
Yeah, you are a yanker. A merchant banker, Charlie. Whoa!
You mean that?
So we're standing on the runway again, aren't we? With
safe there with that.
yeah. Oh, it's a nice Cheltenham. Very nice indeed. Good bit of gear, this. Bruce will be impressed, Charlie.
I haven't got the phone with me today.
Right, do some stuff. Here we go. Oh! Wow! You are a merchant banker, aren't you, Charlie? Betty, how are you doing? Come on, Charlie. Nail it. That was absolutely awful. That was awful. Here's Michael, look. What was that, Charlie?
Yeah.
Boom! Get off our field.
Yeah.
Oh, it's your field. Get off your field. Ah, well, Charlie, you have got away with that. It's good. Oh, hang on.
Whoa, where's that going?
That's how they trim as well.
Bloody no. I mean, vertical like a rocket.
What's going on with
Oh, oh dear.
Landing.
Yeah, we got on.
Yeah, it's on the right one,
He would know. Oh, we got another go. Yeah, yeah.
It
did go ridiculously. Yeah.
Let's get this wind underneath it, will do, I reckon.
Yeah, I suppose it will. Let's try it again. Though.
Hey, there you go. Different chucker this time.
I'm going to give it a bit of throttle this time.
Don't trust me.
Wallop. Oh.
Just a bit.
Look at that. That's better, isn't it, Mark?
Yeah, it's a bit better now. Needs some full throttle.
Yeah.
I'm struggling to see that.
Yeah. Look at that. You should FPV it.
Yeah, I should, yeah.
I don't think Good mad bike.
He's got him.
Hey! Right then, Mike. I don't think that was a nice bit of footwork there, wasn't it? That bloody Lionel Blair.
Birmingham Bertie, Jeff.
That's been done, I've done it. I love it. I did it years ago. They just fly so much better. Yeah, I did it years ago. That's what I do with my...
Well, help if I start the video really. That does help. Right, so I'll try that again. Mike's repaired his elevator with a bit of packet tape, and it's flying great, Michael. Superb. I'm going to do it again, Mike, because I didn't turn the camera on. So, what's this?
Upside down.
Aye. Charlie, you've got a lot to go at here, son. Come on, monkey nuts. Let's go. Wallop. Beautiful. Absolutely.
Nice, Alex.
I'm trying to be nice and steady.
Like that? Yeah. Well, how come you do every time you say something, you do the exact opposite? I'm trying to be nice and steady, and then he ripped the elevator off its hinges then.
Some cars, though, I think.
Blooming Yanker, Matic.
Oh, this is a new flying song.
Yeah, I suppose so. Look at this. In comparison, Charlie, you're quite rubbish. But never mind.
Good.
Yeah, try to be good.
In the middle of it then.
Is you? Yeah. The rudder? You sure? You sure you didn't slip off the throttle? Yank. Why? Smooth, Charlie, smooth. Woo! Upside down, as you say. Can it go upside down quite low?
Okay, I don't know about low, but I'll have a go. Ready?
Okay, here we go. Flip it! You can flip it over downwind, and it's not a problem, is it?
Yeah.
Is it? Well, Mike's doing it, and Mike's low. Mike's low. Very low. Oh yeah, that's not bad, Charlie. I'll tell you what though. Yeah, that's good. Could have been lower. Could have turned it round, done a full circuit inverted, or been lower, but look at us on the runway, looks. Can't help it, can you? Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. That is beautiful. Come on, keep that brain in action, Charlie. Brain and thumbs. Brain. Yeah, baby. Hey.
Come on the plane.
Come on, the orange. Come on, the orange.
Lost it.
No, it's coming towards us.
Go down.
Bang!
I thought that was the other side.
What happened there, son?
And a signal.
Come on, the orange.
Come on, the orange.
Oh, right, let's go trekking then. Let's go.
Oh, plumbing heck.
You done all the hard work, Alex. You buggered up the easiest bit of the whole
Well, I tried
flight.
to bring it in and I just lost signal, I think.
God.
You think? You did say he's going to land here.
You done all the hard bit. The brain was there, inverted flybys, and you stuffed it. Oh, yeah. Okay, now, Charlie, you have put this right where the monkeys live, haven't you? See him? How are you going to get in there? How on earth are you going to get to that? Yeah, look. Bloody hell, Charlie. Oh, where has he crashed his plane? There is he? Look at this. Oh, Bennett, Charlie. Bloody Nora, where are these boys going? Tell you what, that is. See you, Charlie. You know, where the hell are they? He's disappointed. He's gone right into Monkeyland there. Look at that. That's Snakesville in there. Look at him. Pretty solid, he said. He said it pretty solid, Jeff said. Well, there will be now. There'll be a little Jeff tree next week, Jeff. It'll sprout up with a pair of glasses and a big mop on it. Oh dear me. Oh God.
No.
Have you? Yeah,
Come on, Mike, hurry
Oh,
up.
bloody hell, what are you playing at? You sound like you're dying.
It's all bramble. Oh no.
He ain't saying no, is he? Oh, that's gonna hurt. Now that is
Oh no. You got him on that.
Yeah,
Oh,
he's lost his shoe. Any damage? No. Fly it out then, Charlie. Fly it out, son. Is it all working? Here we go. Land it over here, Charlie. Okay, here we go. Wallop. Wallop. Yeah. That's it. Cut it. Whoa. Cut it. No, no, no. Oh, no.
Back in the bank again.
You complete knob. What a total plum. Said effing hell. Nick?
Fucking Come on.
Oh, Charlie. Hey, on it, Charlie.
Make sure it's all working before you chuck it. Yeah.
Nice one, Michael.
Let's go back in again. No.
No, Mike, no.
Michael.
Come on, thumbs. Come on, thumbs. Thumbs, come on, the thumbs. Just get it down.
That's it.
Nice. Get over there, Z's. Nicely done, way. Well done. I'll see you when the weather breaks. I'll see you in about an hour, Charlie. Looks like a chimp for a chimp, actually.
A lot of pain.
He's going to be scored, dear me. How are you doing, Lee? How you doing? Hey up. Hey up. How you doing?
I'm not bad. Yourself?
Mr. Lee Davis, isn't it?
Lee Davis,
How
yes.
are you? How are you, sir? How are you?
Nice
You
to
alright,
meet
mate?
you, Jeff.
Yes,
You all
you
right?
too, my friend. Yeah,
I'll tell you what, that's probably giving your pants a bit of stick, ain't it, Mike? Look at that. Cags all over the pants. How you doing, Charlie? Bloody hell, that is. Whoa! Look at that! Now that is dedication to get. Look at that lot! Jesus, look at that!
Can he donate any blood, Jeff? Thank you.
No, Lee's just turned up to fly with us from it. He looks like a big fella. He might be able to spare a bit of blood. Look at this lot, Jeff. Look at that. To get an AX. Look at that. That is nasty, Charlie. That is nasty.
Is it, or just a
I don't know if to get an up. I don't know if to get an up short shot for trace or not. I don't know.
Oh, you could do, try.
Yeah.
I wouldn't shake your hand, Lee, but it's full of thorns.
How was it for you then, Charlie?
Oh, it's not very good.
No.
I wouldn't recommend that.
No. Mike's covered in crap.
He's thinking, I wouldn't have not
Look at him. He's covered in all sorts of bits. How funny is that?
Put it back in there.
Knobhead. What a knobhead.
What a prick, and I.
Well, you were at home over there, weren't you, amongst all the pricks?
Yeah.
I think my technical analysis is
Yeah.
you need to rebind your receiver, because when I took off I had nothing, and it was just like, oh, it's gone, and then I got it back. That comes in on there. That's the way.
There's a bit
Not
of.
back. Right, mate. Yeah. Oh,
Get up there. Get up there.
Bixless all over the shop
And long range radio system.
Not orange then?
No, not orange.
Ah.
Green.
Yeah.
Sky.
And it's coming back as well, look.
Back, look, it's not in the bushes. This one's marking.
I did say come on the orange as well just before it went out of sight.
You did, yeah.
Yeah, go on. I can't believe I flew it back in again. Can you?
No, I can't believe you did that.
I bet you.
Come on. That was quite
He got thumbs, ain't he, look?
I know. What's that, Charlie?
He got big muscles as well.
No, it's been lovely.
Upside down as well,
Rotters now, Charlie.
look. Audacious, that is, isn't
Yeah,
it?
audacious.
That's what you'd say, audacious.
So rotters.
Right, I'll back up again. Yeah. Look at that. That's incredible, isn't it? Mark coming in. Don't get the flare of it, Mark. Right to the end. Then cut the power. He's showing off. Showing off, look. Not only did he land it, he took off again. Nice. Steady. Nice and steady. Nice and steady. Don't stall it. Don't stall it. Whoa, nice. Nice one. Hey. That's marvellous, isn't it? I'm afraid I've damaged your son.
I'll pay the tenner later.
You said that, didn't you?
What did I say?
You're going to mention his scarring.
Do a better job.
Yes.
On the orange.
He's broken already.
On the orange.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah.
Woof. Yeah, Charlie. Can't be bad, can it, if Lee's using it?
How about done, Leroy?
Yeah, he's...
I don't trust these ones.
Yeah, good. Got a
Look at that. What's that, Jeff?
Nice, actually.
Yeah, multiplex. Yeah.
Charlie, did you just say it's good because it's got ridges on the top?
Yes.
And it's orange.
It's orange, yeah.
And it's
That'd be
got,
a good SPV, wouldn't it?
yeah, it would, yeah. 1400. Multiplex C now. And to save a bit of dollar, because they want quite a lot of money for the power system, don't they? I know they've got a great big.
lot of money, like.
So you put your own stuff in, which is what's this on the back here? Is that the old faithful 2200?
It's 2200.
Yeah. Okay.
6x4 plate.
Right. 3S.
Yeah.
3S. Right. The maiden, is it?
Yes, maiden.
Oh.
Somebody launch it.
Of course we will. Of course. Who's the best wing launcher here?
I reckon Trace.
Here we go. Oh, it looks very heavy. I don't know, Lee. Looking good, doesn't it? Can he get it in? Can he get it in? Oh, ha, ha, ha. Oh, ha, ha. Hee, ha, oh, ha.
Oh, well, just get it in.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Over there, and then.
Filth. It's filth. Look at that. Hello. Hey up. Hi, hi. How's about that then? Can we move it forward a bit in there or not?
I think it'll go forward a little bit more.
Might want to trim that. I'll put a bit of down trim on it now. Leave it. I would. If we can bung. Oh, 1300 in it.
Yeah.
Got anything bigger? Ah, right. Is it? So, there we go. It's another canopy.
Yeah, it slots into there, like, so if you pull it too hard, it'll fall down, see?
Oh, you can go forward a bit, yeah.
See, quick spark in the middle.
Yeah, that's better. Oh, that's all right. Oh, that's all right, Lee. That's all right, mate. Really good, that. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Got some thumbs on you, Charlie.
Yeah.
Perhaps we need to put an appeal out there.
Yeah.
Rather than just, you know,
That's why it's so
yeah.
We had a chance, you wouldn't let her fly it. Yeah, Trace wants to go. You wouldn't let her.
Not let me.
Oh dear.
Make Tiger good. Or even worse.
Yeah, or even worse.
Whoa!
It was.
Hi, hi.
Where was that?
Just flipped over and went down.
Did it? Into a spin?
Go away from the split. Big fella,
Yeah.
Chunk the bottom of it. Sounds like
I've always noticed the butt.
female. The same reason why Mark always notices the
Yeah, that's right, I do. It's an affliction I can't help, Trace, I'm afraid. It's just the way it is. Whoa, Kevel! I think you've lost something. No canopy alert. Kevo, got no canopy. That's it.
Put together a bit silly, really.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right on a hinge, yeah.
Things have come out now.
Oh, I see, right, yeah.
They've just pulled out there, like.
Oh, yeah. That's right, that's pretty damn easy to fix, I would have thought.
Yeah.
That's that'll be right. Tanned cam. Look at that. There's Jeff in there, isn't it? That's old Jeffro.
suicide pilot.
Yeah.
So he thought I'm getting out of here.
Yeah. It's going to be it.
Are you about to get it in?
They're real, Mark.
Hey?
They're real.
How are they?
Yeah.
We were debating that, weren't we, Alex? Right. If he's coming in, I'm legging it. This is going to be bouncy, bouncy. Like it? Oh, it's a beauty, Kev. Really good, Kev. Well done, Kev.
Don't do
Yes, you are definitely a woman. There is no doubt about that. Yeah.